Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about this particular problem. Okay, first of all we'll try to understand this particular problem where we are going to identify the zeros, number of odd numbers, number of not numbers, digits. We are talking about the digits. Okay, how many zeros are there, how many odd numbers are there, okay, how many even things are there. So basically they are expecting us to take one number from the user, so we need to read one input, and from that input we need to identify how many zeros are there, how many odd digits are there, how many even digits are there. So this is the thing. Okay, hope you know how to take this particular number. Okay, I'm going to take the number. I'm going to give enter a number. Okay, so basically we are just giving the number, so it is going to take cell due to pending input. Okay, let me enter this one. So here basically we are just giving the input, but hope you are also aware of this one, right? What is the basic type of the value that we will consider through the input function? Let me take 1 to 3. Yeah, where it is taking this one. So basically here if you see that the value 1 2 3 is there, right? For our eyes it is a number, but the value that I'm going to take through the input function by default is a string. Okay, so if it is a string, I can access individual characters. I hope you know how to take the, or else directly how to convert the given number into integer here itself. If you see now its class is integer type. So this is how I can convert that one, okay, into any type which supports in Python. Now I'm going to take one input. After taking the input from the number, right, I need to say just like this one. So here in this example, I'm having a number like 1, 2, 3, 0, 5, 4, 6. Okay. So here I'm having 1, 0. Next, how many even digits are there? This one and 4. Okay. Next, 1, 3. They are odds. Okay, how many evens are there? 2, 4, 6. How many odds are there? 1 and 3. How many zeros are there? 1. So we need to access each and every character of the string. Then we need to verify whether it is a digit or not. If it is a digit, then we'll start counting whether it is a 0, odd or even. Okay, that is how we are going to implement this particular logic. Okay, so basically I'm going to consider this one for I in number. By default it is a string, right? First of all we'll try to see whether it is giving or not. Okay, I'm just giving 1 2 3 4. I'm getting means I'm able to access each character of the string that is there. For our eyes it is number, but it is a string. Okay, now I'm going to convert this one. Okay, now I want to verify whether this one is a digit or not. Okay, there is a is digit function when it comes to the strings. Okay, what I want to do first of all here itself will verify is digit. So this is how we'll execute this particular function. Particular I comma I is a digit. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and I'm giving A B C. Yeah, if you see the first four are digits, true means they are digits, remaining are not digits. So now using this particular function, string function, this particular thing can be identified whether it is a digit or not. Okay, our interest is only of the digits. Okay, if I is digit, again if this is the digit, then my interest is that whether I need to check whether it is a 0 or even number or even digit or odd digit. So for that one I need to convert that one into a number. Hope you are aware of the integer function whatever I have used over here. Now I need to convert that one into integer. After converting that one into integer, what I need to do, whether that particular value is equals to 0 or not, I need to compare. If it is 0, then what I need to do, I need to increase the 0 count. I'm just giving jet count as a 0 count. Okay, let me use the compound symbol here. I will increase that value by 1. I can write this one like a 0 count equals to 0 count plus 1. or else like this I can also write. If you are feeling not comfortable, I can also proceed to write like this. I want to add, but in order to use this variable here, I need to define that even before the loop. Okay, here I need to define that particular value. Okay, jet count by 0. Okay, odd count means odd numbers count. By default 0 I'm initializing. Even numbers count. Okay, by default I'm initializing all these things with the 0. Okay, next here I want to verify if it is not 0. I want to verify whether it is even or not using this particular condition. Hope you are aware of this particular condition to identify even numbers. Okay, now I'm going to increase the count to the by taking the defined value or else initialized value as a reference. Okay, so here the thing is that when I'm having more than one condition, I should use the elif, otherwise they will become independent statements. Final case is else. Okay, what I need to do, I need to increase the count of odd numbers. If it is 0, it will stop here. Otherwise, it will go and verify that it's a even digit or not. Else, obviously, if it is not even, the digit will become odd. If not 0 and even, it will become odd. That's quite obvious, right? This is how what we are doing basically here. We are taking the number, we are initializing the variables to count each digit. Then through this loop, we are accessing each digit and then we are verifying whether it is a digit or a character. Okay, then if it is a digit, then we are converting this one into an integer. Okay, basically what we are doing here, type conversion we are doing. Okay, here we are writing the condition. Here basically what we are doing, upon condition satisfaction we are doing the increment. Okay, so here this is the condition for even number. If I just make this one into equals to 1, then I need to replace this one with the odd count, then it will become the even count. Okay, so this whatever is the way comfortable, you can write it, both will work. Okay, now the final thing is that I'm getting out of the loop. Here I'm saying that zeros count. Let me keep this one into zeros count. The zeros count is jet count. Okay, next I'm going to take events count. Here I'm going to take count. If it is confusing, let me make one line gap. Yeah, next I'm going to have count. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, now I'll try to verify by giving the inputs. If there is any error, we'll try to rectify that. I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. Okay, now see how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. How many events are there? Only one. Like this, we'll try to give one more input. Let me run this code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, if I give 10, it's not going to take, like it's like individual digit level it is working. I'm giving A, B, C. Okay, I'm going to give A, B, C. Yeah. How many zeros are there? No zero is there. How many events are there? 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 are there. How many odds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? Okay, here also. Okay, up to this one also. So this is how we are going to implement this particular logic. Hope you got this right. Ultimate thing is that we need to understand the problem. We need to think around how to solve it. We should know how to access each character. First of all, here you should know whether it is possible to access each character of a string or not. Directly we can see that. For suppose for character in for character in Python. Okay, directly I can see this print character. So this is how we should know how to access each character if it is a string. Okay, that is what I'm applying here. Here the number means it is a string in background. For our eyes it is a number, but it is a string because whatever is the value that is written by input is a string type. Okay, we have observed that one here. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I'll be helping with the remaining problems also. Make sure you go through this one first of all. If you have any doubts in this one, if you want more clarity in this problem, I can help you with this. Thank you.